Hello and welcome to Small Biz Junction. Today we'll be discussing a topic that is important for every business owner to know. What records should I keep in my business? You know what? It doesn't really matter whether it's hard copy or soft copy or online or offline, as long as you're keeping the right records in your business. At least you're sure that you're going to have something to fall back on to make decisions later in your business. So let's get into it. My name is Ayomikun Titiloye, and here is where I talk about issues surrounding small businesses like budgeting, like accounting, financial planning, and topics like that. So in case this is your first time on the channel, thank you for joining in. I am sure that you're going to get so much value here. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button so that when a new video drops, you'll be the first, of course, among the first set of people to get notified. And if you're a returning subscriber, there's no doubt you know already that I love you and I appreciate you. Welcome back. Okay, so what is the hype about record keeping? Why is this so important in your business? Record keeping is the act of organizing and storing all the documents, relating to your business activities. It's basically keeping track of what has happened in your business and storing them in a way that will be useful for you to make decisions in the future. So if you really want your business to succeed, you have to take record keeping seriously. And I'm not just talking about figures, I'm talking about documents, and that is why I am here today. So what records should you keep in your business? I'll be talking about 3 basic records that you need to keep in your business, and we have the financial records, the employee records, and the legal record. Okay, so that you won't forget, just FEL, financial, employee, and legal records. So what are financial records? Your financial records are records relating to, just like the name implies, financial transactions in your business. Everything that happens in your business, like money's going in, money's coming out, those are your financial records. Records relating to your sales, to your expenses, to your assets, liabilities, people that you're owing, people that are owing you, records relating to those things. You have to keep them, in fact, guard them jealously, because you're going to be helping you to make decisions later. That means you should keep your business invoices, your bank statements, your receipts, and every other financial document. Ensure that they are up to date. This will help you to be able to track what comes in and out of your business, which is known as, of course, cash flow. It can also help you to prepare your financial statements whenever you're ready. And of course, when the tax man comes knocking at your door, you have something to present to them. I'll be going to the second one, which is employee records. Don't forget FEL, financial, employee, and legal. So the second one is employee records, and employee records is a compilation of all the information relating to the employees in your business. People that you employ in your business. You need information. You need to keep records of them from the time that they enter into your business to when they leave your business. So that means if when you employ people in your business, you're supposed to keep every information relating to their employment, like, of course, their application letters, their letters of employment, details of all the trainings that they had while they were in your business, whether you sponsored them or not. You'll be able to track their growth. So if you have employees in your business and they're supposed to be doing maybe a 6-month or a yearly training or something, and they're not doing it, because you have records, you can easily go back to it. So you have records like guarantors forms, of course, their payroll, their monthly salaries, their taxes. In fact, every employee should have his own separate file containing these things. including their performance appraisals, when they get increase in their salaries or wages, or when they get suspended, or when they get punished. Yeah, that's the word. I wanted to use one big word before, like reprimanded. Okay, so keeping records relating to your employees will actually save you from stories that touch. There is, as in, you should know by now that when you employ people in your business, they come up with so many excuses, so many things. I'm sick today, I'm sick tomorrow, I need increase in salary, things like that. So when you keep your records properly, you can easily take them back to those records and say, hey, this is what you signed, oh, this is your agreement, this is your file, Okay, so the third one is your legal records. What are legal records? Your legal records in your business are those contracts and agreements, relating to your business. Contract with suppliers, contract with partners, contract with bank, correspondences. You have your business certificate, your business permits. There's a long list of legal records that people don't even take seriously, and these documents are important for protecting your own business. And of course, when the big man comes knocking, that's the government, you have something to remove yourself from anything they're trying to rope you into. So you have you also need to keep records of any legal information, like lawsuits, or you have claims like legal claims, insurance claims in your business, or any disputes. Somebody sues you or you sue somebody. Please keep those records properly. Also, relating to legal records, you should keep records of all the levies that you pay to government in one way or another, signage fees, all those fees that you've been paying. Please make sure you keep those records properly. They're going to save you from a whole lot of trouble tomorrow. So like I said earlier, you can decide to keep these 3 basic records. Of course, yeah, that one is just a short form. The financial record, your employee records, and your legal records. You're expected to keep them safely. You can decide to keep them online, in the cloud, or store them physically. In fact, you can store them physically and still do scans, still back them up. So I'll be going back to the financial record, because that's like the major thing in your business, right? So you can use separate books for your financial records. That's for your sales, your expenses, all those things I mentioned earlier. You can use separate books to record them and call them whenever it's necessary. Of course, there are so many apps that can help you to keep your financial records too. Keeping proper records in your business cannot be overemphasized, because they literally dictate how well you're doing in your business, or how badly you are doing in your business. So you need to keep those records organized and up to date, of course, to prevent stories that touch and to prevent disasters. Okay, so we've come to the end of this episode today on Small Biz Junction. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, all those things. Until I come your way again, see you next time. Bye.